What's up guys, I'm Landan with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the easy steps on how to remove the steering wheel in a 1985 and 1986 Fox Body Mustang. So before we get rolling, you will need a steering wheel puller to properly remove the steering wheel in your Fox Mustang. We currently have a puller available on the site, which does have puller bolts with the correct thread pitch for a Fox Body steering wheel. Also, if you were unaware, there were two different steering wheel designs in 1985 and 1986. There was a steering wheel for non-cruise cars and for cars that came equipped with cruise control. In this video, we're going to be showing the removal steps on a car that does have cruise control. To get started, push in on the horn pad and rotate counterclockwise to remove it from the wheel. This method is for cars equipped with cruise. Disconnect the two spade terminals and then set the horn pad aside. For cars without cruise, loosen and remove the two screws behind the steering wheel. Then you can simply grab the cover from the back with your fingers and pull it towards you to remove the steering wheel from the frame. Disconnect the electrical connection and set it aside. The easiest way to loosen and remove the steering wheel retaining nut or bolt is with an impact, a short extension, and the correct socket. However, if you don't have an impact, you'll have to hold the steering wheel with your free hand while you loosen the bolt with a socket wrench. Whenever the nut or bolt is removed, you can assemble the steering wheel puller per the manufacturer's instructions. Find the correct puller bolts for the steering wheel. Once this is verified, feed the puller bolts through the puller frame and snug them down. Run down the puller screw by hand until it makes contact with the steering shaft. Now you can rotate the screw with the correct socket. This will press the steering wheel off of the steering shaft. Whenever the steering wheel can be removed by hand, set the ratchet aside and then pull the wheel towards you. Disassemble the puller and then set the steering wheel aside. That completes the steering wheel removal steps for a 1985 and 1986 Mustang. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more Fox Mustang videos like this one and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, you guys know what to do for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning. Keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.